Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I did this video the other day, I thought, but when I went to look for it to edit it, it was nowhere to be found. So I don't know exactly what happened. I think I didn't turn the camera on, but anyway, we're going to try to do it again. Now, I've already separated some things out, but I've pulled everything back together that I can think of. This is from K.L. King Designs, and I will put her link below. Yes, she has an Etsy store, so it's from Karen. So I'll put her link below. She sent me hand crocheted lace, leaves, and roses, and I'm not going to take everything out of the packages, but I'll try to show you as best I can. And then beautiful different vintage laces and trims. And let's see, this looks like maybe a little packet of some pieces off of maybe a wedding dress, flowers, different things, different trims. And then there's some beautiful, I think, wedding dress trim. Let's see, let's do these. Then some cutouts that are vellum, some hearts and butterflies. More cutouts there. This is an embroidery stitching book. So now I know what the stitches are called that I do. That's good. Thank you. Some beautiful, beautiful material. Look at that. Look at that fabric. Isn't that pretty? I'll have to do a journal now using some of that. And then there's some sewing fabric, some scissors, fabric. There's a ruler, and there's a little piece right there. And then there's some black. So thank you so much for all this. I will definitely be using that for some journal covers. And then this says 100% silk scraps for decor. So this is silk in here, I'm supposing. That's what it says. Yes, it looks silky. All right, and then she sent me a beautiful card that has a little crown on it. Looks like she made this. It's very pretty. I hope you have as much fun with the goodie bag as I did putting it together. Thank you for sharing a voice for our Lord Jesus. May He comfort and keep you always. Thank you so much, Karen. That is so sweet. Created by Karen. Okay, and then here's some beautiful vellum. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then I don't know exactly what that paper is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That'll be fun to use. And then a Harper's Bazar, I guess you could call it a catalog. New York, Saturday, June 11th, 1881. Look at that. I have never seen a Harper's Bazar up close and personal. I've seen them on, web pages and things, but look at this. 1881. This is going to be so much fun to read through. Look at those images. They're beautiful. And it has a finish on it. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm assuming that they put that on there to preserve it. But this is going to be so much fun. Look at that. Thank you so much. So this is some of the things that she has in her Etsy store. So you guys make sure that you go over and check her out. Yeah, I will put her link below. So thank you, Karen, so much. It's so sweet of you to send me these things. I will definitely put them to good use. All right, and then this is just a few cards and things that I have received over a period of time. I'm not going to try to read each one of them or go into them, but I'll try to tell you who they're from. Let's see, this one's from Carolyn. This is from Taryn. This is from, if I can get it open, Pam. Linda. Beautiful cards. Kathy. Karen. This is like a little book here. That's really pretty. And it just says MLLM. I'm not sure on that one. And then this beautiful little ornament for the tree. And then I got some really pretty letters and things. This is from Cheryl. This one is from Cheryl. That's from Cheryl too. And then, let's see. This one is from Karen. Get that. Isn't that pretty? And Militn, Militn, I think. I can't really, I don't know. Miletn or EFN. And then I got this from, and I'm thinking this is the little letter that came with it. Yes, this is from Sandra. Look at this. It is a thing to put your cards in. You know, I was asking for suggestions about the cards. Look at that. It's wood on the front, wood on the back, and then you put holes in your cards and put your cards in here, and you can make it as thick as you want. And I'm thinking very seriously about seeing if Benji can do some of these. And, you know, if you guys are interested, if you think you might want one. And then you could also make this into a really pretty journal, too. That'd be pretty. But you wouldn't have to worry about that cover, would you? So thank you so much for that. And that is not from anybody. That's off my desk. Alright, and then I received this huge box of goodness. And I have shared it with Melina, so she'll be sharing some of this too. And this just says a subscriber. So the first thing she sent was some fabric and journal covers that she had already done. Look at this. They're already done. They're finished. Listen to that. Ooh. Love how that sounds. This one she has slow stitched. This one is another one that has the bubble mailer on the inside. And then this one. Isn't that neat? Thank you so much. And then she sent this huge box of all kinds of goodies. There's little fabric swatches in here. There is tags that she has made. There's flowers. I'm not going to take every piece of it out because it'd take me half a day. She has made some little clusters. Little cards, or they're like cards, and then she put little notebooks in them. There's some more tags. I mean, it's just stuffed full. And like I said, I have already shared a lot of this with Melina, so there was a ton of things in here. Ton. And old receipts and things. I mean, it's just botanical journal cards. There is some bling down in here. More tags. I mean, it goes on and on and on. So thank you so much for this. I can't wait to dig into it and play with everything. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. I think that's all that I have right this minute for sharing. Don't forget to go to Karen's Etsy store below. I'll link it below, and check out her store and see what all she has. You might want one of those Harper's Bazars if she has another one. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.